The AutoCAD stretch command modifies objects by moving vertices and endpoints located inside a green crossing selection window while leaving parts outside anchored. It requires selecting objects from right to left to activate the crossing window, making it essential for resizing, lengthening, or shortening, but not scaling, objects. As example, create rectangle object. Next, type S, enter. Make selection, from top right to bottom left. Enter. For base point, click on center point. Move cursor to right. And click to stretch object. The AutoCAD scale command resizes selected objects proportionally by a specific factor, or relative to a reference length. Access it via the Modify panel or command line. Select objects, pick a base point, and enter a scale factor or use the reference option to match known dimensions. As example, type SC, enter. Select rectangle object. Enter. For base point, click on center point. To scale twice, type 2. Enter.